Hey guys, what's up? How are you today? It is Jeremy Scott with the Gorilla's Kitchen. Guess what? I'm gonna make for you guys a beautiful drink. This has actually become my favorite summer drink. I'm gonna share this with you guys. Now, who doesn't love an Arnold Palmer? Now, for those of you who don't know who the famous golfer is, I can't even really speak to his accolades. However, they make something called the Tipsy Palmer with our friends at OHSO Brewery and Distillery, and something on their menu. It's one of their signature drinks right now, but I'm gonna do my own little variation on it because it combines two of my favorite elements that they have. Now, it is called Dick Whiskey. Insert your own jokes there, guys, it writes itself, but it is a peach whiskey. It is fantastic. As a whiskey guy myself, this thing is smooth, it's delicious, it's so good. Just, you know, say maybe 4 ounces of this over a nice big cube, a little splash of water, you're golden. This is fantastic, you guys will love this. However, we're also gonna combine it with a Meyer Lemon Vodka also, because your Arnold Palmer is typically iced tea and lemonade. So we're gonna combine all four of these elements together. We're gonna pop it off with a little bit of citrus. We're gonna garnish it with a little bit of lemon and also a little bit of fresh mint from our plant that's doing beautifully in the backyard. So this is how we're gonna go about it, guys. And how are we gonna serve this thing? What glass is better for a good American drink, a good Arnold Palmer, than a mason jar, baby? That's how we do this. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna get some ice going in this thing, and we're gonna get this drink rocking and rolling. Are you ready? I certainly hope that you are. So guys, lots of great new content coming your way here really soon. I wanna hear from you guys in the comments. I wanna hear what you're thinking about, what you're going through for summer, how you're still trying to get your vacations underway, even if they're staycations. What are you guys doing to survive? What are your favorite cocktails? What do you want the Gorilla to teach you? What kind of content do you want me to bring? Because our new motto for this year and our next season is bringing flavor to the people, baby. That's how we're doing it. So we're gonna start off. Now, this peach whiskey, as I mentioned, is super good. Now, this is my favorite cocktail, so guess what? I'm not going easy. That's definitely out of the question. So we're gonna go with, I don't know, let's go with a nice 4-ounce pour here. We'll start with that. We'll jump over to our Meyer Lemon Vodka. I'm just gonna pour it straight in my glass. How about that, guys? We're gonna go this way. We'll drop another 2 ounces in here. Now, we will top them off with a little bit of, not that we really need to measure this, but just for the sake of knowing what's in it, let's go with a little 2 ounces of regular unsweetened iced tea and 2 ounces of lemonade. We're gonna go with a little squeeze of lemon juice in here for you. We're gonna shake this baby up. Now, a couple of my favorite things also to garnish with lately for the summer is also cucumber. Cucumber's nice and bright and delicious, so maybe we'll pop it off with a little bit of that. But we're gonna go ahead and give this a single strain. Boom. Gonna go with our cucumber. Oops, I missed. We'll go with a little mint. Get that in here. And we'll go ahead and garnish it with a lemon. Now, beautiful summer drink, guys. Hopefully we can see that in the prep zone for everybody. Thank you, everybody, for being a part of the Gorilla's Kitchen. More drinks coming your way. Tell us what you think in the comments, and we look forward to seeing you again on the next episode. Jeremy Scott, over and out. Take care.